History. Founded by Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford in 1913, Aston Martin is a legendary British automobile manufacturer with a prestigious history. The company was named after Lionel Martin's successful racing experiences at Aston Hill and his partner's surname, Bamford. Aston Martin initially began as a small workshop, but it quickly gained recognition for producing high-performance vehicles known for their luxury, elegance, and speed. Early success. Aston Martin's early success can be attributed to its participation in motorsports, particularly at events like the Aston Hill Climb and the French Grand Prix. The company's first major victory came in 1923 at the French Grand Prix when an Aston Martin sports car clinched first place in its class. This success laid the foundation for the brand's reputation as a producer of high-performance vehicles. Best invention. One of Aston Martin's most iconic inventions is the DB5. Introduced in the 1960s, the Aston Martin DB5 is renowned for its timeless design, powerful engine, and association with the James Bond film franchise. It featured various gadgets and became an instant classic, solidifying its place in automotive history. Recent developments. In more recent years, Aston Martin has expanded its product lineup with the introduction of models like the DB11 Vantage and the DBS Superleggera. These modern vehicles continue the tradition of combining performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Additionally, the company has ventured into the realm of electric vehicles with the development of the all-electric Aston Martin Rapid-E. Current status. Aston Martin still remains a prominent luxury sports car manufacturer. The company has undergone changes in ownership and management, with strategic investments to ensure its future growth and sustainability. Aston Martin continues to produce high-performance sports cars and Grand Tourers, aiming to maintain its status as a symbol of British automotive excellence.